In this video, we're going to take a detailed look at how you can create a digital portfolio using Canva for free, step by step, even if you've never built a portfolio or designed a website before. Canva is one of the easiest and most powerful design platforms available, making it perfect for creating a professional-looking portfolio to showcase your work, skills, and experience without any technical or design background. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how Canva works and how to use it effectively to build a digital portfolio that can help you attract clients, land jobs, or present your work professionally online. One of the biggest advantages of using Canva for your portfolio is convenience. Instead of relying on complex website builders or expensive design tools, Canva allows you to design and customize your entire portfolio in one place. You can start with ready-made portfolio templates or create your layout from scratch, customize text, images, colors, and sections, and structure your portfolio exactly the way you want. This makes Canva an ideal choice for freelancers, students, designers, marketers, and anyone looking to build a clean, professional portfolio quickly and at no cost. So, let's go and focus into Canva.com. What I wanted to do is go for Create a Design. But first of all, if I want to get started with an actual portfolio, let's try to use some templates. So instead of choosing Create a Design, let's go and focus into Templates on the left part. And here it says the templates. I want to look out for my key word, which in my case is portfolio. The more accurate and precise that you're looking, the better. For example, I'm going to type here portfolio. As you can see, we do have a lot of elements that we can choose from here. Once again, I'm just telling you guys that this actual Canva Pro has a little bit more stuff that we can use with this plan, and it's actually really great. So if you like what you're seeing here, just click. Let's say, for example, that I choose this design here to continue. As you can see, this portfolio looks like it's for a graphic designer. In my point of view, I think that it's going to look really basic, but if you like it, just go into Customize your template. Like this, I'm going to be using something a little bit more creative. Let's scroll a little bit down more and look out for something like this. Let's say that we are a marketing portfolio page. Once I find the elements that I want to use, I hit Customize the template. This should take me into the design editor of this portfolio. All of the fonts, all of the images, the pictures, the colors, the palettes, everything is going to be imported into the editor. So what is left to be done is to start by importing our actual elements. What I truly suggest is to go into your File Explorer, look out for Documents, and inside Documents, create a new folder. Name it something like Portfolio. Inside this folder, drag and drop all your work, all your featured work. This includes images, videos, banners, or anything else you want to add. Later on, we're going to drag and drop everything really easily into Canva. So, I'm going to click into Portfolio and zoom in a little bit more. I'll delete this name and put my Express campaign. Let's go for Marketing Expertise. Now, if you think we need to stick around with what we have here, you can change the colors. Instead of choosing this green military color, I can add a new color. Let's go for something a little bit more blue. There we go, it looks a little bit more interesting. Later on, we'll be using elements. Elements help make the design look more creative. For example, this hand doesn't look so good, so I'm going to delete it and add something else. I'll go into Elements, and this is where you drag and drop elements into your document. For example, this hand looks much better. If you want related elements, click See All. Click the element, go through the three dots, and click See More. This will show you similar elements you can use. In my case, I'll stick with this element and make it a little bit smaller. By default, Canva tries to replace images, so I'll just change the position. You can also send it to the background if you want. As you can see, now we have the very first part of our portfolio created. Now, let's focus on adding a new page. If you want to copy and paste the entire template, you can do that. If you want to use another template, you can do that as well. Let's go back to Templates and search for Portfolio again. I'll choose something different for the second page. Instead of naming it Portfolio, let's go for Media Post. I'll change the colors to match what we used before. One of the best things about Canva is that it automatically imports previously used colors. I'll change the text to white and do the same with the title.
Now that this is done, I'll create another new page. Canva will start showing more templates related to what we've already used. If I select one, I can delete the parts I don't need and add my own content. This is where you add your best work. If you're a graphic designer, add your best logos, branding projects, flyers, social media posts, or videos. Only feature your strongest work. Once you finish creating your Canva project, go into Download. Choose PDF Standard as the file type since it's the best format for sharing through email. Select all pages and hit Download. After it downloads, double-click the document to review it. As you can see, it's not hard to create a professional portfolio using Canva. You can always add more elements, mix designs, or change colors to make it your own. That's the purpose of templates. We use them as a base and customize them to represent who we are through our work. So, with that being said, hopefully this was useful information for you. Now you know how to get started creating a digital portfolio using Canva. Be creative and add your best work. Before we wrap up, one important thing to keep in mind when sharing your portfolio online is security. When you're uploading files, sending portfolio links to clients, or accessing Canva and other platforms from public Wi-Fi or shared networks, your data can be exposed. That's why using a secure connection really matters. A simple way to protect your work and personal information is by using a VPN like NordVPN. It encrypts your internet connection, helping keep your files, logins, and online activities safe from hackers or unwanted tracking. This is especially useful if you're freelancing, applying for jobs, or sharing your portfolio with clients from different locations. If you want to add an extra layer of security while working online, you can check out NordVPN. The link is in the description if you want to try it out and keep your online work protected.